Hey YouTube, you're back with Mark Jackson. What's going on? We got a really brief video for you, and it's how to run wires through pretty much anything, and I'm going to show you how it's done. This is kind of I'm up here on the roof at 10 Pines Bluff to show you the old way of doing things versus the new. But yeah, I've got a couple of demonstrations set up for you. And it comes down to these mats, and I'm going to show you how it's done in a minute. Let me drop a mat there. And don't mind my resources. I've got God mode toggled on. That just happens. All right, so what happens if we try to run wires through, here. We try to run wires. I'm getting all tongue twisted now. Well, basically we want to run some hidden wires. We want to get a wire someplace, that, we really need one. But you start running it through stuff, it just won't let you. Maybe you pick it up and you drag it, no. Also, if you come over here and you try and make the connection, it's not happening. But that's where this mat comes in. If you take one of these regular mats, and I'm going to show you which one, Declaration, just a second floor mat. I don't know if the other ones work, but this one does. You drop a mat, and then you drop the connector on top of it. And you see what happens? So you can run wires through just about anything. And that works on the ground as well. Let me show you that too. So we've got a connector sitting right here. And I want to connect a wire to this. And for whatever reason, I need power over here. Move, people. Not happening. Can't drop it. But if we do a mat, we can. And believe it or not, that connects all the way up over to that one over there. And then when you're done with the mat, you can remove it, store the mat in the workshop, and it drops down. It's still right there. Now, one of the drawbacks is now that the mat's gone, I try to move this again, it won't let me. So make sure you get it in the right spot before you actually do it. But yeah, so let's do a little test here. Now, we already saw that didn't work. What we're going to do is we're going to drop our mat. We're going to drop another electrical connector. That's fine. We're going to connect them. And then we're going to pick it up not by this, but by the mat. See? Isn't that sweet? So the old to the new. I learned this trick from a 10-year-old boy. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one that knows it. I'm sure I'm not the only one that has a video on it. But a quick and easy way to run power. Yeah, there you go. There's the old way again. Up on the wall. This is one of the first settlements I ever built. So, but yeah, the old way versus the new way. And I think that this would be really handy in cleaning up, your settlement's power requirement. All the wires dangling along and things like that. So wow, you're ready for business. So yeah, I've been Mark Jackson, and I hope that helps you with your settlement building. You guys have a good night.